Hey, how we doing, everybody? OPD here. It is another beautiful day in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. For those who haven't seen it yet, this is the Cheesy Moon Workshop. The shed that's the outside workspace. That's my camper. Getting ready to do some camping this spring. That's the knife throwing area. And today, while I still have a little bit of daylight left, I'm going to be working on this old case knife here. And as you can see there, the blade's broken, sticking up out of there. What I intend to do is find the point where that blade intersects with the edge of the case, and that's going to be the new point. I'm going to do a little bit of top down, a little bit of bottom up. So let me get this camera set up and we'll get started. Now, and as I said, you can see the little mark there on the end of the blade. That's the mark I put on. That's where the blade and the liners meet. I'm going to go just underneath it where that little tip is, and we'll profile the top down a little bit and the bottom up. That way I don't have to file down this end of the knife, the shoe or foot or whatever you want to call it. I was going to reprofile that ever so little bit there. So let's get to it. I need to take that top down just a little bit more because it's just catching when I rub against it here. So a couple more passes. Yep, there it is. Nice and smooth. It's not going to catch on my pocket or my finger, cut me. And we have a nice looking blade profile. Did not overheat the blade, kept quenching it in water over there. Great snap on this old knife. Now that we're done out here in the workshop, we'll go in on the table and get a nice close look at this Okay, everybody, we're in here at the table now. Get a little bit better look at that blade. Nice patina on there. Nice pointy little point on it. Reprofile that. I do need to put an edge on it. I haven't sharpened it yet. I'm going to get my file out and take care of that with a file. But according to this tang stamp, that case tang stamp is from 1940 to 1965. So I'm guessing, based on the smoothness of this and the case emblem there is kind of worn down pretty smooth, I'm guessing that's at least 1950. But it's a sweet, sweet little knife. This is going to be in my pocket for quite a while. And replace one of the other smaller knives. Probably put the fishing knife away for a while and carry this little guy for a while. You can see this blemish here. See if I can get close up on it. That's where they grounded this thing out. They were working on some electrical. And there's also a big chip in the blade here. It's probably where they were cutting the wire that they ground that out on. But it actually welded that pen blade to the liner and scorched this side of the liner. So that this blade was out and it shorted out across there. I was able to use my little needle file, cut that steel blade away from the brass liner. I don't think I'm going to try to do anything with that other than take off maybe any sharp edge with my file, so that it's not a safety issue for me. As far as that nick in the blade, battle scar, brother. And sometimes you just gotta let an old knife be an old knife, as Kevin, the knife doctor, always says. But there we go, just a quick and easy fix to this gorgeous old knife. This was in the box knives where I get them for $1 each at my favorite pawn shop. So not bad for a 1940 to 1965 case XX. Beautiful little pen knife. I'll be carrying this for quite a while. So I picked up a lot of new subscribers today and yesterday, and I attribute that to the Knife Doctor and the very generous plug or commercial or endorsement that he has given me. I picked up like 39 people in the past 24 hours. I'm just blown away by that. I'm just getting started, and a lot of guys, every time they get another 100 subscribers, they get excited. I get excited on each and every one. So thanks to all the new subscribers. Until I see you guys again, pardon Monty, that's my 4-pound killer watchdog. Until I see you guys again, have a beautiful day.